एंड यू आर शोइंग हिज रिजल्ट एज एक्सपेल्ड, तो ये तो बड़ा मुश्किल है ना। आपने उसको बताया कि आप एक्सपेल हो गए, अब आगे की परीक्षा आप नहीं लिखेंगे। वेयर इज दैट कम्युनिकेशन, व्हाट इज द रीजन? कंट्रोलर ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन ने किसी एक स्टूडेंट को एक्सपेल कर दिया
जी, इसमें है।
हाउ कैन ही डू दैट?
दोस्तों, कहते हैं स्टूडेंट हमारे देश के भविष्य है और आज उन्हीं स्टूडेंट के भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ किया जा रहा है। जब एक स्टूडेंट एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी करता है तो वो दिन रात कठिन परिश्रम करता है, लेकिन आज जानबूझकर उन स्टूडेंट के भविष्य को अंधकार में धकेला जा रहा है। दरअसल यह घटना यह है कि एक छात्र बिहार बोर्ड से एग्ज़ाम देता है। वो पूरी मेहनत के साथ अपने पेपर को कंप्लीट करता है और अपना आंसर शीट जमा करके चला जाता है। जब कुछ महीनों बाद रिजल्ट की प्रकाशन की जाती है तो पता चलता है कि उस स्टूडेंट को एक्सपेल कर दिया गया और वो आगे कभी एग्ज़ाम नहीं दे सकता, जबकि उस छात्र ने न तो कोई चोरी की थी, ना ही कोई एग्ज़ाम्स के रूल्स तोड़े थे। और जब यह बात उस छात्र और उसके पेरेंट्स को पता चलती है तो वो लोग इसकी शिकायत पटना हाई कोर्ट में कर देते हैं। शिकायत मिलने के बाद जज साहब पूरे मामले को देखते हैं और एग्ज़ाम कंट्रोल बोर्ड को हाई कोर्ट बुला लेते हैं। और उसके बाद क्या होता है चलिए देखते हैं।
Lordship direct, I'll serve a copy on the counsel for the writ petitioner.
Okay, out of curiosity we are looking for him. Now, where is the order passed by the school principal? Where is the order passed by the principal?
Lordship, board has passed down annexure 4 and 5 of the writ petition.
No. His first prayer is that letter issued by respondent number 4. Respondent number 4 is the board.
Lordship.
The examination controller.
Yes.
Now, where is
board,
that?
Board.
Where is that order?
Annexure 4 and 5, Your Lordship.
Page? You don't have the brief. Sorry, I have taken your brief.
None for Lordship. This order says that on account of unfair means being adopted, your result.
एक second देखने दीजिए. Why the single judge got angry? We need to see. नहीं, हमें ये गलत लग रहा है। आप इसको मार्क करके दीजिए अभी कि कहाँ पर वो लेटर है एग्जामिनेशन कंट्रोलर का। द एग्जामिनेशन कंट्रोलर का लेटर कहाँ है? आप उसको फ्लैग करिए, एग्जामिनेशन कंट्रोलर का लेटर, एंड यू आर शोइंग हिज रिजल्ट एज एक्सपेल्ड, तो ये तो बड़ा मुश्किल है ना। आपने उसको बताया कि आप एक्सपेल हो गए, अब आगे की परीक्षा आप नहीं लिखेंगे। वेयर इज दैट कम्युनिकेशन, व्हाट इज द रीजन? कंट्रोलर ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन ने किसी एक स्टूडेंट को एक्सपेल कर दिया
जी, इसमें है।
हाउ कैन ही डू दैट?
मे आई प्लेस दैट?
नहीं, आप हमें फ्लैग करके दीजिए, रेड फ्लैग करिए। तो बड़ा वेग सा द कोर्ट वाज जस्टिफाइड। उपर्युक्त विषय के संबंध में दिस इज मोहम्मद इरफान
जी,
दिस एग्जामिनेशन कंट्रोलर। उपर्युक्त विषय के संबंध में कहना है कि वार्षिक माध्यमिक परीक्षा स्वयं में आपके गणित विषय की उत्तर पुस्तिका में अनियमितता परिलक्षित होने के कारण। कौन सी अनियमितता? मूल्यांकन कर शिवनंदन प्रसाद मंडल से मूल्यांकन किए बिना विद्यालय परीक्षा समिति पटना को भेजी गई थी। तो आपने कोई मूल्यांकन नहीं किया, आपने चोरी करते उसको पकड़ा या उसके आंसर शीट में कुछ एडिशनल कागज देखा, कोई रीजन आपने ब्लैंक रखा। ये तो कोई नेशनल डिफेंस का मामला तो है नहीं कि आप अपने पास रखे रहेंगे वो इंफॉर्मेशन और किसी स्टूडेंट को एक्सपेल कर देंगे। उसके बाद उन्होंने आपने लिखा है कि समिति के कदाचार जांच समिति से इसको जांच कराने पर उत्तर पुस्तिका में गंभीर अनियमितता किस बात की हो सकती है? उत्तर पुस्तिका में इनहेरेंट डिफेक्ट था या उसने एक ही क्वेश्चन, आई मीन द स्टूडेंट वुड बी इन कंप्लीट डार्क और इस आलोक में कदाचार जांच समिति ने संपूर्ण परीक्षा के परीक्षार्थी को कदाचार का दोषी प्रतिवेदित किया है। ये किस, आप एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ कंट्रोलर होके ये कैसे किया आपने?
Lordship will peruse paragraph 4 onwards of my memo of appeal. I have given the entire details. We had filed a counter and supplementary counter. What had actually
Let us see your memo of appeal.
Lordship. The clear-cut stand of the appellant board before the learned single judge in the counter. The writ petitioner appeared in the examination as regular candidate from so-and-so school. The answer book of the writ petitioner pertaining was sent for evaluation at the evaluation center, namely so-and-so. It was during the course of evaluation of answer book at the evaluation center that tampering in the answer book of mathematics.
No, this is a vague statement.
Let Lordship may peruse. The concerned evaluation center had reported tampering in the answer book of mathematics subject of writ petitioner, stating that except the cover page, which is the marks answer sheet and first page of the answer sheet and the last two pages of the answer sheet, all the internal pages were found to have been changed with answer book pages of previous year's board examination.
Now take a call, Mr. Sadbir Bharti.
Lordship.
On this statement alone.
Lordship will come to
just
the
a minute. On this statement, on this paragraph of your petition only. Now we take a call, either we say that the order is justified,
Lordship.
or we remit you to the single authority, the single judge.
Lordship.
Take a call, because this is good enough reason for holding you responsible. If the pages of the examination sheet, answer sheet is missing and only the first page is there,
Lordship.
you are responsible, your authorities are responsible, you are the custodian of the answer sheet.
Lordship.
Now don't
Lordship,
fudge the issue.
For my satisfaction, Lordship may just peruse.
Now why do we go beyond?
Because we have stated that the entire examination and the evaluation work is not handled by the board directly. It is being at the district level. Special officers.
Is anybody alleging? Is the single judge alluding to the fact that the examination controller had changed the answer sheet? No.
Yes, that is what the
it only says that if you have expelled the student, you needed to introspect how the examination strong room where the questions are kept, or the place where the evaluation is made, they are handling the matter properly and they are not changing the answer sheets. Right. Now we know of situation when the first page is intact and the rest of the pages it is exchanged from the pages of successful students. Now this was good enough ground for the single judge to have directed for an inquiry, and we will let. You want us to see the inquiry report, or you want us to send the matter back to the single judge?
Peruse the inquiry report, whether we are, if at all we are involved or not.
In that case, the order has taken effect.
Lordship,
why appeal?
No, but Lordship, the observations made by the learned single judge, that is damaging the board, Lordship.
So therefore,
Lordship, I'm just not here for restraining the learned single judge from directing inquiry.
We don't find from the order.
We are not against inquiry, Lordship. We are just against the observations made by the learned single judge.
Which observation has aggrieved you?
Lordship, see paragraph 2. Lordship says the learned single judge is saying that you proceed against the board. In fact, Lordship will see the court is of the considered view that such manipulation is not possible without the active connivance of officials and employees of the Bihar School Examination
Board. Therefore, this is a presumption and therefore inquiry. He is not giving his imprimatur. He doesn't say that yes, you have.
Our grievance was, Lordship, when we had preferred this.
We'll say
our
that.
Grievance is only to the extent that
Mr. Arvind Kumar, go and show that report before the single judge. Whenever the situation so comes, we'll say that this what is the word used? You are being unnecessarily captious.
No, Lordship.
You are being unnecessarily captious. You are finding fault with the phraseology of the court. The court has only said that this gives me good ground to order for an inquiry, and you are taking it as if it is a blot on your scutcheon.
Lordship,
sorry, we don't interfere.
Lordship, the second part of the order could have been justified, that the court might have directed for an inquiry. But saying that the board
will clarify that till the report, this statement be not treated as castigation.
Lordship. That would be
in any kind of the board. Lordship. And we finish it off. Lordship. Let it go before the single judge with your report.
Lordship.
Look here. The interim order passed by the learned single judge on 29/6/2021, passed in CWJC number 803 of 2021, has been put to challenge on the sole ground that the court presupposes the complicity of the Bihar School Examination Board and the Controller of Examinations in tampering of the answer sheet of one of the candidates who had approached this court in the writ petition, challenging his expulsion from the examination proceedings. Stop. It appears from the writ petition and the counter and the affidavit and the memo of appeal that when the answer sheet of the writ petitioner was sent to a school for evaluation, it was found that but for the covering sheet, other pages were found to have been exchanged from the copy of another candidate, giving an impression.
Copy of the previous year examination.
Copy of the previous year examination. A copy of the candidate who had appeared in a previous year examination, giving an impression that the answer sheet was tampered. Full stop. No categorical statement was made as to when such tampering could have been done. Full stop. Was it at the time of handing over of the answer sheet by the student at the end of the examination, or when such examination paper was handed over and kept in the custody of one of the authorities of the board?
It was never in the authority of the board, it was with the district
in the authority of the board, which ultimately was sent to another school for examination. It is also not clear as to whether the board or its agencies, or for that matter the examination controller, can be saddled with the responsibility of not keeping the records / answer sheets of the students properly. First of all, be that as it may, on finding that the mathematics paper of the writ petitioner was found to have been tampered, the learned single judge was of the view that such tampering could not have been done only at the instance of the writ petitioner / a student, but the other authorities as well. First off, under the aforesaid circumstances, the single judge directed for an inquiry into the matter and issued a direction to the Additional Director General of Police, Cabinet Vigilance, to register a case about the corrupt practices and manipulation of answer scripts in the examination of the board for preliminary inquiry against everybody, against every stakeholder, and a copy of the report was directed to be communicated and every stakeholder. First off, the preliminary inquiry was required to be completed and a report to be submitted to the court. First off, before the inquiry could be concluded and a report submitted to the learned single judge, the board has approached this court for expunction of certain remarks made in the order dated 29/6/2021. First off, the second paragraph of the order, which offends the appellant, is being extracted herein below. Second paragraph likhna. First off, we are of the considered view that considering the circumstances of the case, the court found that an inquiry was necessary to fix the responsibility on the wrongdoer. First off, by no logic, any part of paragraph 2 of the order would be seen as a castigation of the conduct of the board or of the controller of examinations. Be that as it may, the report which is the report which has been prepared, has yet not seen the light of the day, and the writ petition is pending adjudication before the learned single judge. First up, we therefore are of the considered view that no interference is required so far as the directions of this court, directions of the learned single judge is concerned. But simultaneously we do clarify that the observation made in para 2 of the order dated 29/6/2021 would not be taken as a statement against the board even before any decision has been taken about the responsibility in tampering of the answer sheet. With the aforesaid observation, the appeal stands disposed of with the direction that the matter be placed with the direction that the order be placed before the learned single judge before whom the case is listed. First up, Mr. Arvind Kumar, learned advocate for the Vigilance Department, is present in the court with a copy of the report under sealed cover. He is requested to offer such a report. He is requested to file such a report before the learned single judge, who has to finally decide the issue. The LPA stands disposed of.
दोस्तों, ये पूरी घटना देखने के बाद इन बच्चों के भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ करने वाले ऐसे लोगों के बारे में आपके क्या विचार है, वो आप हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइए। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करिए, और यदि इसी तरह के और भी ज़्यादा वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और साथ ही बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल के ऑप्शन को सेलेक्ट कर लीजिए, ताकि आगे आने वाली सभी वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपको मिले। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।